We welcome you to our lecture this evening as we pursue together the concept of the Golden Age, and is it a reality? We wish to speak about past Golden Ages, future Golden Ages, the Golden Age at the individual level of consciousness, and the Golden Age as the collective fulfillment of a society, the collective fulfillment of a group mandala, and of the realization of the potential of karma and dharma in civilization. I would like to point out a pattern of energy flow which I believe will help us to understand where we are now in terms of looking ahead to the golden age of the individual, of the nation, and the planet. The very simple pattern of the figure 8, which we draw, is an illustration of the macrocosm and the microcosm. Simply the great world and the little world. The figure 8 is the pattern of energy flow, of cycling of energy, from your inner reality to your outer manifestation. We might call it the universe of spirit and the universe of matter. And we speak of the nexus of the figure 8, where the lines cross, as being the point of precipitation. That if we try to build totally in spirit or totally in matter, we do not achieve the full integration of our potential. But only in the fusion of the two can we realize the concept of a golden age. The spirals of flow are from the source into manifestation, and they pursue the return. This point of crystallization, we call it the crystallization of the God flame, is the Christ realization. And we speak of Christ as a name for the Word or the Logos or the creative potential that we have as the spark of life. Not as the man Jesus, but as the Christ whom he declared before Abraham was, I am. The essential nature of the sons and daughters of God, that all peoples in all religions throughout the world since the beginning of time and space have had as the potential to realize in matter that which they contain essentially in spirit, to return to spirit that which they have realized in matter. This continual process of energy flow is the nature of creativity. Without flow, we cannot have a golden age in consciousness or in manifestation. We find then, when individuals or civilizations stop the flow of the creative energy of life by the denial either of the inner or the outer man, then instead of a golden age, we have disintegration, decay, and the downward spiral that have marked the decline of many civilizations in recent and ancient history. We would like to explore this evening what are the standards of a Golden Age society, what are the standards of a Golden Age consciousness, how we can fulfill these standards, why we are not, and what we can do about it.